Hi guys, wishing you a very happy new year. I was cleaning my room as a part of a new year cleaning and I thought I should record this and show it to you guys on how I do it. Usually I watch cleaning routine videos on YouTube just to motivate myself to clean my room. By seeing other YouTubers video I feel I should also keep my room clean, and similarly I guess this video would be helpful for you to motivate yourself to keep your room and stuffs clean. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I clean my skincare storage. So let's begin. First, let me take all the products out of it. This is an organizer I bought from Amazon 2 years back. It's still sturdy and nice. It has 4 compartments. I have dismantled the drawer and washing it with some liquid soap and water. I'm using a small brush to remove any dirt and dust from nook and corners. These are the things that belong to the first compartment. After washing the organizer, I started to arrange the products into it. I use a non-woven towel to wipe the water. Now I arrange the products into the basket. The round organizer has some skincare samples. I keep my samples in a container like this so it is easy to access and I know what samples are left. This rack contains my body washes, body scrubs, face washes, face scrub, cleansing balm and makeup remover. Basically, this drawer contains wash off products, things that you need to wash your face and body with. So this is the first drawer. I'm fast forwarding this clip so that you don't get bored of it, me just cleaning the products and keeping it in. So I'm just fast forwarding it. This blue drawer contains my face serums, face toners and some facial gels, and I also keep my backup lenses in this drawer at the back. This yellow drawer is different from the rest of the drawer. This has all my everyday needs. This pink box has my go-to jewelry in it. This box I got from Vedix. I'm not sure what to keep in this, so I left it empty. I will fill this box in the future. Some stationeries, a transparent pouch that contains all my cables, sunglass in its case, an extra sunglass case, a compact wallet that I will use only if I'm going out, my go-to fast track watches. I've kept them wrapped in a plastic cover so that it doesn't lose its quality. This rack has my hair needs like shampoos, hair oils, hair serums and a hair gel. I keep a few more essentials like lip balms, a sunscreen and moisturizer in this small organizer rack. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is me, Deepthi, signing off. Bye-bye. Take care. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.